Hey everyone, what is up? In today's video, we are going to hide our Instagram reels from someone. So if you're also wondering how to do so, you may just head over and follow up these steps for that. Start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And once you access your Instagram, you need to go over to your profile, which should be available in the bottom right corner. So tap on it and that will allow your profile right here. Now, from the profile right here, what you need to do is select your settings and privacy, which should be available in the top right corner. So select it, and this will open up your settings and activity here. From here, what you need to do is basically look out for the option of who can see your content and find the option for story and location. So find the option for there and tap on it. And all you gotta do is basically hide your story from that specific person you want to hide your Instagram highlights from. So tap on this option called hide story from. And once you tap on it, you just need to select the people you want to hide your highlights from. So tap on that. And once you select up your user, you just need to tap on done in the top right corner to save up your changes. And once that is done, the Instagram highlight will be hidden from that particular person in your Instagram whenever they try to view it. And that setting will hide your current stories as well as any kind of highlights that you've already posted. And that is it. Hiding your story automatically will hide your highlights from them as well. That will affect both current and future highlights. So that is it, everybody. If you want to go ahead and hide your Instagram highlights, you may follow up this process for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.